Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about CallRail Purchase. How much does it cost? Call tracking uses a unique phone number that forwards calls to your main phone number. Your customers dial the new tracking number, we forward the call, and you answer your main phone like you usually do. CallRail gathers statistics, and you can check them online in real time. Our pricing options. Call tracking. Find out which ads, keywords, and marketing efforts inspired your best leads to call. Includes 10 local numbers and 500 local minutes. Price is $4 to $5 per month. Conversation Analytics. Add conversation intelligence to help qualify more contact and improve service. Includes call tracking. Call transcripts, keyword analytics. Price is $9 to $5 per month. Marketing Analytics. Add form tracking to view website form submissions and call analytics side by side. Includes call tracking. Form tracking, custom form builder. Price is $9 to $5 per month. Analytics Suite. Combine all our analytics tools to automate customer insight and prove marketing ROI. Includes call tracking, call transcripts, keyword analytics, form tracking, custom form builder. Price is $104 to $5 per month. We don't just work with 700 marketing platforms, we make them better. In a few clicks, our call and conversion data fuels deeper insights automatically. We pair well with your marketing tools: CRM, mobile optimization, bid management, data visualization, social media advertising, and so much more. Join the most successful businesses on the planet. CallRail is a service that tracks and manages your phone leads, helping businesses to determine which marketing campaigns are driving quality leads. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about CallRail and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.